My name is Vuyelwa Nkoi. I'm from the University of the Free State, the Department of Sustainable Food Systems and Development. And I'm here in Uganda, all the way from South Africa, and I'm very excited to be part of this workshop that is hosted by Access Agriculture in partnership with RUFORUM. I was brought to my attention about this workshop, and I applied for it, and I was part of the 25 who were selected to be part of the trainees to come and learn more about how to capture my research in using modern resources such as cameras. So far, it has been such an amazing experience. I've met amazing people from all across Africa and all across the world as well. I have made new friends. I've met farmers who I've learned a lot from. I also got to know about a website whereby even an app on your phone, whereby one can even watch videos where farmers from across the world showcase their expertise on certain technologies that they use at farm level that can help other farmers as well. Thank you, Access Agriculture. Thank you, RUFORUM. This is an amazing experience. Thank you.